potted him.
What? Okay. This is like, he's shitting on me. Like, he's never... What the fuck just happened? He's shitting on me super hard. Like, he's never shown me this hard.
I should
Yeah,
four
like,
potted
what the-
yet.
He's gonna go. You gotta go.
He's a beast.
Oh,
The one time he left, I beat him.
bro.
I'm beating him right now, too. I'm beating him this fight.
Alright, give me a sec, 1 sec.
Like, what is he doing, bro?
I'm just so confused. It's like...
What's the video, Jay?
What'd you say?
Can I comment on this unlisted video?
Yeah.
just
have
gave
that.
it to me. I'm cooler than you.
Yeah, they probably think I like auto-click or something because I'm just setting off logs, double-clicking.
Shitter.
I don't know, I think Passengers thought I was auto-clicking on MMC once or something. He was like, guys, Asian Ash clicks his mouse. He just randomly said that. I was like, bro, what? What the fuck? That was before I even had like Crim or ever used Slinky on my main. Fuck. It is because I started watching your video, but like, I don't know, I feel like you kind of have to like change your play style.
Might be the first person to have 100,000 sumo games played, bro.
Best worldwide _ yeah. Oh, he's banned right now. His stats are white. Nice.
Holy shit, I just got a clean as fuck combo in Judah.
How does Lazia
Dude.
get... Wait, so that video where like STL Protector exposed him, was that like a real